Ayan po, nasira po namin yung lift.
It keeps on alarming. We don't know what happened.
Parinig natin, parinig natin.
Diretso na pala itong Tower of London.
Yes. Ano pong masasabi nyo? Ayan po siya, yung ano, lolo ko po yan. Ay, that is...
Uptas ka.
Ano ba? Anong problema mo?
Oh, okay na. Isang seryoso naman.
Yan po, dito po tayo sa kotse ko. Yan po yung kotse ko. Yes. Ang pamasahe po niyan ay 1 million per tapak. Ay.
Grabe ka naman.
Ay.
Libriin mo naman ako.
Ay. Libriin mo naman ako. Sige, pre-pass for one day.
Yay.
Yay.
What is this?
Ayan po, ang aking mansion number 2. Yan. Meron po akong mini chapel. Diyan po kami nagdadasal. ng ano. Ayan. And then this is the guild hall. Ay.
Nagguguhit siya.
Ay, guguhit. Guhitan kita.
Ay, bakit ako ay pinapakita ko nga
Sa
siya?
gitna, oh, ito na po, ito po yan, oh. Yan po, yan, yung madam na yan. Sana all. Rock.
Kuri. Sabi niya daw po mag-video, so...
Ay, oh, bird.
I'm a bird. Ay. Kaninong bahay yan?
That's my house.
That's her house.
1 million po kada tapak ulit.
Ganun po siya. Road to Zaldi ko na po siya. Ay.
Siya, ang ganda to eh.
Sino?
Ako.
Ikaw? Oh.
Tulo si Pun. Ano kaya to, te? Bakit merong andun?
I don't know. It's not even open.
Gallery yata. Kala ko tapos na.
Di pa.
Tapusin mo na, bye.
Bye.
Sabi mo?
He gay.
Saan?
He built gay.
No.
He looks gay.
No. Ay.
Tama na.
So, the Louvre has its Mona Lisa have come down from heaven to listen more closely to the music and to get a look at the musician herself. So these two angels here, you see the wings, they've flown down from heaven because this music is so wonderful. Not only the angels have done that, but there's a little bird here, look. This little bluish bird which has come in, it's heard the music, it's come in, and it wants to have a look and listen closely.
How is it?
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so this painting then is called The Wounded Cavalier, and it's by an artist called William Shakespeare Burton. William Shakespeare, another English artist from about 1670, 71, I think it says down there. The subject is a man called Sir Hugh Wyndham. Hugh Wyndham was a judge, no surprises, about 35 metres away. The amphitheatre, in fact.
Oh my God.
So it's very simple, as you can see, just 4 wooden planks nailed together and you get this square drain here. Now the water flows, the sand and gravel drops to the bottom, and by the time the water is flowing out here, it's much cleaner. There's very little solids in it. And all you have to do is come here every few weeks or something and dig out all the sand and gravel. And of course you know where to come, and you've got a trapdoor on top, and it's easy to deal with. So a very nice bit of Roman engineering. Bit more there. So now we're actually in the arena, and you can see the curve of the arena wall. Right. So we're just at the eastern end of the arena. The stone comes from a quarry which still exists today in Maidstone in Kent, about 40 miles away. So they'd have had to get their slaves to get the stone out of the quarry. The Romans would do that. They would then load the stone onto barges on the river. And the Romans would choose the strongest, the best fighters, and say, right, you're going to do it. So they didn't have a lot of choices. Having said that, some of the guys, really, it was like, there would be a few people who would actually volunteer. Including some fought alone like it. It wasn't that one of you had to die, because quite variations, a lot of training they had, they're quite valuable.
Ayan po, ito po ang ating amphitheater. Ano po yan? Amphitheater po yan ng lola ko. Diyan po sila nangangatay ng mga basta. Oo, yun pala yun. Ganda din.
Ate, it's live. Wait, dito ka.
Ayan po kami,
Yan.
nagpe-photograph.
Yan, tapos go.
Ayan po ang nanay namin.
Pak ganun, tapos harap ka dito.
Yan.
Ay, lakad tama.
Ah.
Yan.
Sana all.
Tapos, sandali. Ay, mali. Wait. Wait.
Ay.
Ulit. Oh,
Ay,
yan.
ay.
Ganda.
Ay.
Yan.
Ayan.
Pak. Bagay yung outfit mo, in fairness.
Oo nga, ang ganda. Ay.
Atras ko na onte.
Ay.
Isa pa. Okay lang, isa pa.
Dapat Trisha poste. Kulang.
Yan. Dito ka, gitna ka, gitna ka. Dito, yan. Yan, tapos harap ka dito. Yan, hawak. Yan.
Oh, Patricia pose.
Oh. Tama ba?
Hulo.
Do you like it?
Yan. Ano po ang masasabi mo sa picture niya?
It's so pretty.
The best.
The best. Oh! That is so cute.
Happy yarn.
Okay, reveal. 1, 2, 3. I got the one in person. I got the mood ring and the vanilla skin. Oh. Favorite ni Gloria.
Yung kay Ate Pam is the red one and then the gold one.
Yeah.
Parang kay Ate Pam talaga yung kulay, no?
Very Pamela. Okay. Are you guys happy? Yes. Yeah. Go. Labas lahat ng frustration. May galit ba kayong dalawa? Wala naman. Punitin ko yan.
Okay, ready? Pang-vlog mo yan.
Ito yung vlogger i-send ko sa inyo. Then you as well.
Parang
Bakit mo siya tinatawag
na
kalbo?
kasi kalbo siya.
Teka, ka-press ko lang ng clay. Ulit. I'm sorry. 1, 2. Mukhang parang may amas naman tong kasama ko.
Babala.
May
Ingat sa badyaw.
Sino yun? Hindi ako yun. No, me. Gabi ka sa akin.
Parang ito yung sa yung alam yung Filipino food na palitaw.
Oo.
No? Grabe, nanginginig talaga yung kamay ko. Tayo na naman yung napag-big. Ano yung hinula nyo? I'm not gonna get the card. Akin ako mag-ano ng para hindi ko makita.
Tama kayo ng hula? Wala pa nga.
Wala pa. Wait. Ah, open mo. Wala nakakita.
Ako yung block. Ayoko ng peanut, please. Anything but the peanut one.
Hindi yan peanut. Ano ba yung pinili natin? Sabi niya, di ba kanina sabi na ba-vibes na daw niya. Ibig sabihin,
Oh my God!
ang pinili na Ate Rio ito. Ang pinili ko either this one or this.
Oh!
Pero nung nakita ko na eh. Nung ano, kinuha ko yung... Nakita niyo ba sa expression? Ano yan? Dura-dura. Parang dura-dura. This is me. Yo-yo. Ay wow, mas marami pa pala. To be honest. Special edition.
May secret edition.
Tignan natin.
Sorry.
Oh my god. I'm scared for you. Ako na maghahawak nito. Sige. Okay.
Close your... No, there's a card. There's a card.
Bumawi siya sa akin eh. Dapat naghulang muna kayo kung ano yung ano.
I saw it na.
Ay! Tira mo naman, hindi naman siya na-open. Ano yan? Wala na. Bawal daw.
Cover your eyes.
Di mahirap. Di ayaw niya lumabas.
Chichirya naman yung nakagat mo.
Di! Ay! Di, ang cute niya, Ti! No, Ti, it's the pumpkin! Saan? Wala dyan, oh.
Wala siya dyan. Oh, this is a secret?
No.
Is this one of the secret series?
One of the secret series! Ay, specialty! Sweet, ano yung sabi niya? Sweet orange?
Sweet
No,
orange.
it's pumpkin.
Oh, yeah, no. It's
Light orange
orange
star.
star.
Oh, it's not even there.
Yeah.
Yay!
That's one of the Nico babies.
Wala, ang cute.
Ang cute niya nga.